Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the email that I just received from Tesla a couple days ago. As you can see right here, they have a picture of two different type of EVs. One of them has been a Tesla and the other one, I don't know what it is, maybe a Volvo, who knows. But basically you see two wall charger. This is not the ordinary wall charger that we're aware of. This is the new one, the latest and the greatest. This is the universal. Okay, so here Tesla just wanted me to be aware of it, that they have this one and that I can order it. All right, so if you click on the pre-order, it's going to take you to the Tesla page right here. So it is universal wall connector. So we install right here. And it tells you the price is $595. I think the regular Tesla wall charger you look about what, $450, $475. So with this one right here, you can charge like since it's universal, so pretty much you can charge a Tesla and any other EVs of your choice. So it says here orders will begin shipping in October of 2023. So they're prepared. Universal wall connector is a convenient charging solution for Tesla and non-Tesla electric vehicles. Alike is ideal for houses, apartment, hospitality, properties, and workplaces. Features up to 48 miles of range added per hour at 11.5 kilowatts, assuming 48 amps output. Integrated J1772 adapter to conveniently charge any electric vehicle. Auto sensing handle to open a Tesla charge port. Monitor and manage your charging schedule and usage from the Tesla app. Wi-Fi connectivity, ODR update, remote diagnostics, and access control. All right, so 24-foot cable, 4 years warranty for residential. And on the bottom here, depending on where you live, you might have like local incentive for this. And it's stated here that to do the install, if you're not certified, if you're not good, if you're not aware, it is recommended that you get a certified installer to do this. Okay, so when I got my solar system installed, I paid the installer, like $1,300 for them to do the NEMA 1450 outlet and have it ready for my vehicle. As you can see here, that's the other types of instead of the Tesla. Here a little bit more pictures here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you have like two different type of EVs, maybe you want to be ordering this universal wall charger because you just don't want to be stuck with just Tesla. However, many company, including latest one is the Fisker. They already announced that they'll be using the Tesla charger, so again, but who knows, it is always have options out there. So with this universal, then any EVs that you'll be buying, you're gonna have the you'll be able to charge it. Okay, so but other than that, thank you for watching. If you guys have any question regarding about this video, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, take care and I'll see you guys in the next video.